did flare in North Carolina when an apparent Trump supporter lifted up a large printout of the Confederate flag with Trump's campaign slogan, "Make America Great," written on it. The sign was pulled down and ripped up by demonstrators. All of this comes as Trump backer Ben Carson delivered a message to Trump supporters this morning.
They can submit to them and meekly just do whatever those protesters want them to do, or they can fight back.
And Sarah Palin followed suit, ripping into protesters and the media. She stumped for Trump today in Tampa before heading back to Alaska. This after her husband was hospitalized from injuries in a snowmobile accident. Here's what Palin had to say.
What we don't have time for is all that petty, punk-ass little fuckery stuff that's been going on.
Punk ass. Why these people getting righteous? Look, punk ass. Dirty mouth.
But wasting your time and the media being on the thug side. What the heck are you guys thinking, media? It doesn't make sense.
Now Marco Rubio, John Casey, and Ted Cruz, all of them slammed Trump today. None, though, still will go so far as to say that they won't support Trump if he emerges as the Republican Party's nominee for president. This is what Cruz had to say today when he was asked what it would take to change his mind.
For him to do that.
If, for example, he were to go out on Fifth Avenue and shoot somebody, I would not be willing to support Donald Trump. At the outset of this campaign, I committed I will support the Republican nominee, and I honor my word.
Comments like that are drawing a stinging rebuke from the White House. Here's what Press Secretary Josh Earnest had to say today.
I'm home.
It's pretty clear, I think, to most people, to most observers, exactly what Mr. Trump is up to.
I got to talk to people. I got you two
But it's not clear at all
City all day.